This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Immaculate home in the Bayridge Subdivision. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and so many updates when home was being built. There is an open floor plan with split bedrooms, a gorgeous master bathroom and bath, large laundry area, and granite throughout. Entertain or just enjoy your outdoor fireplace on the back patio. You will fall in love with this beauty. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.